Hi everyone, I'm Dan, and in this video we're going to learn about diphthongs. Diphthongs are like two vowel sounds together, and understanding how to recognize diphthongs and to use diphthongs will help you with your pronunciation in English. I'll give you a quick example. Think about the verb go in English. We pronounce it go, go. Now that verb has a diphthong. When you listen to that sound, you can hear two vowel sounds. O, O. It's not o, it's not go, it's o. Go. Now sometimes that can be a bit difficult to learn because not every language uses diphthongs. But diphthongs are quite common in English. We have 7 diphthongs. So in this video we're going to learn about diphthongs, how to recognize them and how to pronounce them. So the 2 diphthongs we're going to learn in this video are ow and o. So to make this first sound, you start with an open mouth and you finish by bringing your lips together. Ow, ow. It sounds like the noise you make when you're in pain. The second sound, O, you start with a half open mouth and then you bring your lips together. O, O. Both of these sounds sound like they are falling sounds, that they start high and finish low. The second sound, O, sounds like you've just realized something. Like you've made a mistake and you've just realized. Oh. So the best way to recognize these diphthongs, to recognize them, to understand them, to be able to hear them, and then to copy them to improve your pronunciation, is to look at some examples. So we're going to look at some example words together. We'll look at 2 words together that have those 2 sounds so we can compare both sounds and see the difference. Blouse, blouse. Blows, blows. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Clown, clown. Clone, clone. Couch, couch. Coach, coach. Drown, drown. Drone, drone. Loud, loud. load, load. Found, found. Phone, phone. Rowing, rowing. Rowing, rowing. Town, town. Tone, tone. Wow, wow. Whoa, whoa. So the best way for you to understand these sounds is to practice them. So now it's your turn to practice. And also, when you're listening to English, listen for those sounds and try to copy the speaker. Try to copy that sound. It might be difficult. You won't get it the first time, but keep practicing and it will get easier. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video and share it with your friends. Finally, go to anglopod.com to learn English online. Good luck and see you again in the next video.